Hey all food lovers and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. If you all didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit that bell icon as well so that you don't miss any of my future updates. Today I'll prepare Aambyaanche Sasav, that is mango curry. So let's begin with the recipe.
Wash and peel the mangoes and keep it aside. Grind all the ingredients into a coarse paste using water. In a pan, heat oil, add mustard seeds and curry leaves. Then add ground paste, salt, jaggery, and cook the masala for 2 minutes. Add water depending on the consistency. Once the masala is cooked, add the peeled mangoes and cook for more 5 minutes. Aambyaanche Sasav, a mango curry, is ready to be served. This is a easy dish, so do try this recipe and let me know your reviews.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share. Till then we'll meet next time in my next video.